Sebastian.
Yeah, what's up, man?
What's up, my brother? Finally, I got this guy here with us. I've been trying to have him here for a while, and I had to talk about Wagyu for him to come.
Oh my God, thanks for inviting me. I only came because you said you had Wagyu meat.
Man.
And that was it.
Guys, we have some Wagyu meat here today that is going to be amazing. Both of these steaks are Australian MS5. Whew. This is top line, guys. This is a good stuff.
Look at this marbling.
It's amazing.
Absolutely incredible.
And we're going to be comparing today two steaks. One that is kind of new in the market. It's been a few years since people renamed this. It had a name, a different name before.
Yeah?
This is a flat iron steak that everybody knows. This comes from the shoulder rows of the beef.
Incredible.
And this is a part of the muscle that doesn't work a lot. So it's really tender. It's the second most tender steak in the cow. The only one that is more tender than this one is the tenderloin.
Yeah.
And then we have
tasty.
Here,
look at the marbling.
Super, wow, I mean,
fetish
you
flavor.
see that marbling, brother. Whew, that's good stuff right there. And this is the Denver steak. This is another cut, also from the shoulder roast, that is amazing. This is the fourth more tender steak in the whole cow. Only the ribeye is on top of this one.
Very nice.
It's amazing. As you can see, they're a little. But we're going to give it a good try today, and we're going to do it in person.
It's a delicacy. You know, you don't eat like pounds and pounds of this
You
stuff.
don't need a lot.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you this, man. I'm dying to try this.
Yeah,
thing.
let's do it.
Let's do it.
Woo! Woohoo!
On the spices department, I'm gonna go really easy on these. Salt, pepper, and garlic. That's all I'm gonna use. That's all you need for a good steak. And this steak deserves to be treated well. Those flavors are gonna pop up, and this is gonna be an amazing experience. Alright guys, we have these two beauties already dressed up. We put some salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder in there. I know this is gonna be amazing. Sebastian is gonna love this one. It's time to give it a try, man. Let's go for it. As always with these beautiful steaks, I put them on the side on an indirect heat and I let it hit the 120 degrees. After that, I just sear them up. Check it out. Man, stop eating tomatoes. We're gonna eat Wagyu now. What's up with these tomatoes?
These tomatoes are incredible, man.
Look, there is one cut up in there. Go for it.
Salty tomatoes.
Can you believe this one?
And it's incredible.
There's Wagyu there. Let's eat the Wagyu.
Let's do it.
All right, guys. This Wagyu came out perfect. Look at the cut of that meat. You cannot complain about this Wagyu today, okay?
No.
There is no complaining in here. And we're gonna see what is the difference between the Denver steak and the flat iron.
Let's do it.
I mean, did you eat some of those before?
No.
Never?
I'm looking at this and I'm like, please stop talking. I really just want to eat this.
What about you, Juan? Did you eat this thing before?
I haven't.
You haven't?
Whoa.
All right, baby. So today is the first day. Today we're gonna have some virgins converting here. We're gonna break some virginities today. All right? Let me just cut it for you.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Let me just cut a little piece here. for you.
So this is the one that had like really nice marbling,
Really nice marbling.
and we expect it to be a little bit chewier, but very flavorful.
It's not supposed to be as tender as the other one, but it's supposed to have more flavor.
Okay,
That's the whole idea.
All right.
You hungry enough?
Yes.
You hungry enough?
Yes. Let's go for it.
Let's go for it, man. Oh, brother, this is looking amazing. Cheers.
Oh, this is good. Oh yeah,
Oh my God.
this is tasty.
This is not chewy at all. This is so soft, so tender. I'll let you say it, man. Say it.
Delicious!
Delicious, brother. This is amazing.
And
This
sisters.
is incredible.
All right.
Oh, this is good.
Now, if you like that one, this one is supposed to be more tender than the other one.
Oh, this looks tender, very tender.
All right. So you want to go for it?
Yeah,
That one has a good size, so
this looks really good.
one. Next is you, brother. Don't worry.
Check it out. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is crazy.
Oh my. I can
So
talk.
juicy.
So tender. So juicy.
This is a real Wagyu thing. You know it. All those the buttery flavors, the umami goes around your tongue. It's crazy.
That's what happened. When you start chewing this thing and you feel the flavors coming off your
Whoa.
nose, that's the umami, guys. That's
Yeah.
what really make the difference on the Wagyu. The quality
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
meat is impressive.
This is incredible.
This is one of the best steaks I ever had. This is so tender, so juicy, so amazing, and it's cooked to perfection. I freaking love it. Juan, come and get it, bro. I know you're gonna like this one.
All right, if I have to choose between one or the other, this is incredible.
I think that's the winner. I think that's the winner. But the other one, I won't complain if you give it to
Oh.
me.
So it's hard to say, right?
Wow.
This is super tender, super juicy. It has that crazy umami flavor,
Yes.
but this has a lot more beefy flavor. You know, so it's different.
This one-
and nice in its own way.
Yeah, the
Bit more
beefy
chewy.
flavor is the one that gets to me. I love that beefy flavor,
Yeah.
man. And it's
Let's do
amazing.
half.
Go for it, one. Oh. He
Yeah.
got the big one. He got the big one.
And you got the one with the
Oh
crust.
my goodness.
Crust is delicious.
Tell me about it, Juan. Buy into that thing. Enjoy. Enjoy it, Juan.
Damn.
And you haven't tried the other one yet. Oh, bro.
It's incredible. This is
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah. Come here.
Check
This
this
is
out.
incredible. Oh, I'm gonna cut it up a little bit more so it lasts a bit longer.
We have the. Ooh. Wow.
Check this out, Miss Ninja.
Oops.
Try it.
I'm trying. Oh
That's
my God!
incredible.
Just the touch,
yeah.
right?
It is incredible.
Yeah. Super
I
flavorful.
love it. I love it.
I try it. One, give that one a try because it's better than the other one. If you like the other one.
Right, incredible.
Brother, I'm talking about
Wow,
good
bro.
stuff here.
Impressive, guys.
Wow.
Okay, let me show you guys. This is Juan. Juan was complaining about the A5. He said that he doesn't like the A5 too much because it's too rich.
Too rich. Okay.
How do you like this one?
Best steak I ever had in my life.
So that's Australian Wagyu, brother. That's
Alright.
completely different, and it's amazing. This is something
So
that I will
good.
eat every day.
It's great.
You can eat that thing every day, and
Incredible.
it's even healthy,
Buying
man.
a little one.
Go.
Yeah, this has great crust. Really good crust.
The crust is perfect.
The charcoal.
Yes.
The charcoal crust.
So what happened? You forgot about the tomatoes?
Wait, let me have another tomato.
You're gonna get more
I
tomatoes?
love those tomatoes.
I can't believe this guy, man. He wants some tomatoes. Man, I
a
love
little bit of
it.
a balance.
I'm so glad I was able to cook this for you guys. But remember, guys, if you want to get this quality of steak, you have to check out Meet the Butchers. They have all these steaks in there. I'm gonna put the link on the description straight to these steaks. You can try it yourself, and it's amazing. You're gonna, it's comfort, man.
It's incredible.
It's
Yeah,
amazing. The
yeah.
flavor is amazing. So that's all for today, guys. If you like the video, please hit it with a like.
Lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing?
You
Why you haven't
subscribe,
subscribed?
you hit the bell.
And you do your thing.
Why haven't you subscribed? What's going on?
Yeah. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell.
So you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload our new videos.
And remember that I'm putting everything related to this video on the description. That's all for today. Let me know if you would like to eat this steak. Let me know if you try it.
You
Let me
have
know
to want to eat the steak.
if you compare one to the other like that, because the comparison is amazing. I mean, I have to go with the fat iron, of course, but the
Well,
Denver,
Ninja keeps talking, I keep eating, so keep it up.
as long as you eat the tomatoes, that's all right. So put everything down in the comments, guys, but remember that I love you.
We love you.
Wow.
How do you like it? That's it.
Oh man, that thing is so good.
Okay, bro. ¿Viste?
I'm telling you, bro.
That thing is really, 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 really.
That's good stuff.